Today I'll be showing you how to change the brake pads on the Red Sport 400 model that has the high performance brakes on an Infiniti. This Q50 and Q60 is the same. You see these rotors, these calipers, you immediately think, okay, this is odd. Well, it's very simple. There's a pin Carter key there and a Carter key here that line up with that hole and that hole. Just take your pliers, grip them, pull that one right there out, go down to the one on the bottom, grab it, pull it out. I'm just going to be using this little Allen wrench here just to stick it in the hole and just push those pins all the way through. It's going to be kind of hard to do with one hand, but we'll get through it, okay? And just pull that out of the back. There's the hole that the little Carter key went to. So you'll be putting it back in just through that hole. Same with the bottom one. And that little thing right there will probably spring out. Don't worry about it. Just pick it up. We'll put it back in. Okay. Pull that rest of the way out. Okay, and grab this. This will probably spring off. That's fine. Just grab it and sit out of the way. There is your pads right there. Just take a flathead screwdriver, just like this one right here, and put it, at first you can just put it against the rotor and just put pressure against it, and that'll squeeze the piston back into the caliper. Now just stick your flathead in there between that and just put some pressure against it until it slowly compresses that piston back into that caliper. Okay, now that you've done that, you can grab and pull that straight out. Now, don't pull this next one out yet. Go ahead and replace this one first. Now, I'm replacing these with ceramic, so we'll just be sliding the new ones right back into place. Here are the new ones here. So you'll take this with your pad facing towards the rotor, slide it right into place. Just line the hole up right there a little bit. Now, take the same screwdriver here, and you're going to do the same on this side. Now, just grab it, slide it right out, just like so. Now we have the other new one. Now with your pad facing the rotor, just slide it directly in, and then you're going to line your little holes up here. Sorry for the camera angle, I'm doing this with one hand here. Just push it all the way in. Alright. See all the way through there. Okay. Now, usually the kit will come with new pins and new Carter keys, so we'll use those. I've got some brake lubricant, and I'll be using that to put it on this right here. Now you're going to take that piece right there and you're going to stick it right back into place. Just stick it right on top of those pads, just like so, and hold it in. I'll be using the factory pin back in it because, you know, factory stuff is made a lot better than this new pop metal crap. Once you have that sitting in place, your pin will slide in through the back, and make sure that it slides over this center tab. You also want to make sure that them little holes is going to be facing outwards for your pin to go in. Okay, and right there you'll see the pin is over top of the center tab, and then my hole is facing outwards. And then just push that pin right there all the way through to the other side. Now, right there where the hole is, right there, you'll put your Carter key. I will be using the new Carter key, so I just line it up with that little hole. And right there it is. So there's the top one. Now all you have to do is put the one in the bottom one. So just like before, I put some lube on it. I'm going to make sure that hole is on the outside. Just going to line it up. Go to push it in. Push the center tab in. And then push it all the way through, just like so. Now use this little Carter key and go right into that little hole that we pulled it out of and push it in. And that's it. That is all you have to do to put pads on the Red Sport 400. Front and back, it's exactly the same. Now, before you take off in it, just sit still in park, cycle your brakes several times by pushing the brake pedal. Make sure that your pistons compress against the rotor, and then you're ready to rock and roll. That's it, guys.